To short stocks on the Webull desktop app, you need to understand the basics of short selling and how to use the platform. Short selling is a trading strategy that involves selling a stock you do not own with the expectation of buying it back at a lower price to make a profit. First, you need to open the Webull desktop app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to ensure that your account is approved for short selling. You can do this by checking your account settings and looking for the short selling option. Next, you need to find the stock you want to short. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the screen and typing in the ticker symbol of the stock. Once you have found the stock, click on it to open the stock details page. On the stock details page, you will see a button that says Sell. Click on this button to open the order ticket. In the order ticket, you need to select the sell option and choose the number of shares you want to short. You also need to choose the type of order you want to use. Webull offers several types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders. A market order will execute the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specified price or better. Once you have filled out the order ticket, you need to click the Sell button to execute the trade. Your short position will be opened and you will be required to buy back the stock at a later time. To close the position, it is essential to set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses. A stop-loss order will automatically close your short position if the stock price reaches a certain level. You can set a stop-loss order by clicking on the stop-loss button on the stock details page. Finally, you need to monitor your short position closely and be prepared to close it if the stock price moves against you. Short selling involves a high level of risk and you can lose more money than you initially invested if the stock price rises instead of falls. In conclusion, shorting stocks on the Webull desktop app involves finding the stock you want to short, opening the order ticket, selecting the sell option, choosing the type of order, and executing the trade. It is crucial to set a stop-loss order and monitor your position closely to limit your potential losses.